All right, guys, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about replacing your chin strap. First thing we wanna do is we wanna go ahead and remove that face shield. So we're gonna take this all the way off. Just pull it off and set it aside. From here, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the helmet over. I'm gonna take those ear guards out, which are Velcroed in. And now I'm going to open up the chin strap. The long and the short tabs, and we're going to pull this completely out. You're going to grab your new chin strap. I like to set the helmet off to one side like this. I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half, stick it inside the helmet, and I'm going to pull those narrow tabs all the way through and just kind of set them on top for right now. We can adjust that later. You can watch the video on how we adjusted that later on. Once that gets in here, I'm going to go ahead and even it up, making sure that it's even on both sides. Now we're going to take the two tails and run them through the ear holes, like so. Once those are run through, I like to go ahead and just pinch this, and I'm going to pull one side down, and I'm going to take the side that actually has Velcro on both sides, and I'm going to run it off all the way across. Now I'm going to pull the other side down and run it all the way across. From here, your helmet should be set for a good neutral type stance. You can still go through and adjust the chin strap forward and back and up and down depending on how you want it. But we're going to go ahead and we'll just close these up for right now. Go ahead and put the helmet on. Put the chin in first. If you need to adjust it, pull that tab off. All I'm going to do is take the straps, pull these both down, put the one that has Velcro on both sides all the way across, take the other one, move it all the way across over on the top of it, and that should lock all four tabs down so that they can't move. Now your chin strap is replaced, it's all adjusted back to your head.